touchdown. So touchdown is similar to horse racing. If you've seen some of our tutorials, horse racing is your race against other teams to get to the finish line. Here you compete really because you want the ball to get to your end zone. For David here, he wants to get the ball to this end zone and score a touchdown. And of course the girls want to get right here. So they will be able to answer 3 questions, and I will move the ball towards the end zone. If they get it right, if they get it wrong, it moves back. Yeah. So, question number 1. Leonie,
Yes.
what is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is handball.
Handball. Okay, handball. Good answer. Let's move it forward. Question number 2. Question number 2 for...
Is that the other way?
It is the other way. Someone's paying attention.
I was like, we're losing. Okay.
Yeah, good answer. So, it's getting closer to the end zone. Be careful, David. Be careful. So, question number 2. Question number 2. More difficult. Okay. What is the most populated state in the USA?
The most populated state in the USA is New York?
No, it's California. Oh, sorry. So,
Too bad.
go back. You still have 1 question to answer,
Okay.
so maybe you can get here. Now, what is the tallest building in the USA? For both of you.
The tallest building in the USA is the Empire State Building.
Yes, the Empire State Building. So, okay, you end right here. Now, it's David's turn. Let's continue with American questions. David, give me a state in the USA that begins with M.
A state in the USA that begins with N is Minnesota.
Minnesota, that works, okay. Here we go. Another question. Oh, maybe the other team has a question. You guys think of a question? Okay, I'll ask question number 2. Okay, let's have a very difficult question for 3 lines, okay? A question that will get him here. What was the name of the first president of the United States?
The first president's name was George Washington.
Good job. He's French, by the way. So, good. Yeah, George Washington. Oh, he's getting close now. So, do you have a question for David?
Yes. How many colonies were in the United States?
There are 13 colonies in the United States.
Okay, so that is a touchdown! Yes, exactly. By 1.